Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG. Drive on mobile. BeamNG. Drive is a unique and incredibly realistic driving simulator, known for its soft body physics. While it's built for powerful desktop computers, you can absolutely enjoy it on your mobile device. The key is to stream the game from a remote computer, bringing the full experience right to your fingertips. This approach lets you access the game's detailed environments and vehicle deformation from virtually anywhere. One excellent way to play BeamNG. Drive on your mobile device is through cloud gaming services. These platforms host the game on their powerful servers and stream the video output directly to your phone or tablet. You'll need a very stable internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 50 megabits per second, to ensure a smooth, low-latency experience. Most services operate on a subscription model, offering different plans to suit your gaming needs. Another fantastic option is to stream BeamNG. Drive from your own personal computer. This method gives you full control over your game settings and mods. You'll need to install remote desktop software on both your desktop and your mobile device. Ensure your home PC has a robust internet upload speed and a powerful graphics card to handle the game and the streaming simultaneously. This setup essentially turns your phone into a portable display for your gaming rig. To get the best possible experience playing BeamNG, Drive on your mobile device, there are a few optimization tips. Always use a high-speed Wi-Fi connection, ideally 5 GHz, to minimize latency and ensure a clear stream. Consider connecting a Bluetooth game controller for much more precise and immersive control than touchscreens offer. Also, try adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower preset to improve streaming fluidity. Finally, keep your mobile device charged or plugged in during longer play sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.